Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. Let's get started. The box upside down for privacy reasons. So let's unbox this thing. How's everybody's Monday? Mine's going great so far. It's beginning of the spring semester at school. Cut it? Yes, it can. Packing peanuts. Alright. Do it. Move the packing peanuts to one side. Uh-oh. And here it is. Oh, that's bigger than I thought. The Volvo EC480, made by Motorart. I'd like to thank Diecast Emporium again for another smooth transactions. And he does have other stuff for sale, and if you guys are interested, you can hit him up on Instagram. So yeah, there's the unboxing. Hope you guys enjoy it. See you guys next time.